Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word comradeship. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. During their time in the military, the soldiers developed a strong comradeship that would last a lifetime. Comradeship refers to the close bond and sense of loyalty shared between individuals who work together or share common goals, especially in challenging or difficult circumstances. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.